Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to teach class boundary. How we can make class boundary. This is the most important topic because the need of class boundary is very important in chapter of measure of dispersion, measure of central tendency means third chapter and fourth chapter in first year and in also in third year. So class boundary, importance of class boundary is very we need. We have to calculate class boundary columns by two methods. First method, classes, we make class boundary by classes. From column of classes we go to class boundary. Second method, we given x column and we have to move in class boundary column. So I will teach the second method first. This is the easiest method, that we are given by x column and we have to move class boundary column. How we can move from x column to class boundary means this one height column and we have to move class boundary column. So first of all, I am going to tell you the important thing, that while you go to class boundary column, before you go to class boundary column, you should know or you should observe that what is the column of x, what is the variable of x. It is height. Height is a continuous variable. Is it continuous variable or discrete? It is a continuous variable. What is continuous? Continuous means a variable which moves and one point to another and takes all the points between them. Like height. Height goes up by taking each and every point instead of by jumping up. So height, temperature, weight, all of these, time, all of these are the example of continuous variable. And what is discrete variable? Discrete means that variable can jump, like number of chairs in a classroom. Number of chairs should be 10 or 11. That can't be 10.1, 10.2. So height is a continuous variable, and for a continuous variable we can make class boundary. For a discrete variable like number of chairs, number of person in a room, we can't make class boundary. In this case we can make. So first of all, you should look at the variable, that it is a continuous or discrete. If it is continuous, then we can proceed with class boundary. So what is the formula of making class boundary? X plus minus h by 2. What is h? H is class. What is the class interval? Class interval between these two values is 1. 56 minus 55, it is 1. Gap is 1. So we use 1 here, 1 over 2. X plus minus h by 2, x plus minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. X plus minus 0.5. This is x. Take the value of 55. 55 minus 0.5, it become 54.5 right here. Again, take this one x value and add 0.5. X plus 0.5. 55 plus 0.5, it will become 55.5. So 55 is the value of x, and by plus minus 0.5 it will become 54.5 and 55.5. Now what is this? 56. In same way, take this one value 56. 56 plus minus 0.5. By subtracting we got the result 55.5, and by addition we got the result 56.5. write lowest value here by subtracting and by adding right value here. 57. 57 minus 0.5, 56.5. And 57 plus 0.5, 57.5. In same way, we have to make this class boundary column. And how we can guess that this is class boundary column? In class boundary column, the boundaries should same 55.5, 55.5, 56.5, 56.5, 57.5, 57.5, like this one. Now I'm going to teach the second method by which we have to move from classes to class boundary. For this method, I will give you three examples. Example number 1, example number 2, and example number 3. What is this formula? Plus minus 0.5. It should be changed. Plus minus 0.5, plus minus 0.05, plus minus 0.005. It can be any digit as question required. So example number 1. Example number 1 is here 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and so on. We choose which one digit? This one, 0.5, plus minus 0.5. Choose this one. Why we choose this one? Why we choose not this one? If our data is not in digit form, not in point form, so it is not in point form, so we choose this one. After point, there is no 0. 50 minus 0.5, we got 49.5. 59 plus 0.5, we got 59.5. 60 minus 0.5, we got 59.5. 69 plus 0.5, we got 69.5. 70 minus 0.5, we got 69.5. 79 plus 0.5, we got 79.5. 80 minus 0.5, we got 79.5. And 89 plus 0.5, we got 89.5. Means from the lower value, we have to minus, subtract 0.5, and in the upper values, we have to add 0.5, and we got these results. Now, example number 2. Look, this is the column of classes. The data is in which form? Points form. And how many digits after point? After point, there is one digit. After point, there is one digit. In whole data, after point, there is only one digit. So we have to put 1 0 after point. After point, we should apply 1 0. Look, here is no 0 after point. 0.5. But here 0.05. This 0 indicates that we are going to apply this one on the data which have one digit after point. So we have to plus minus this one digit. 1, it is also called 1 also. 1 minus 0.05, and we got 0.95 right here. 4.9 plus 0.05, and right here. 5 minus 0.05 right here. 8.9 plus, and in the lowest values we have to minus this one value, and in upper values we have to plus this one value, and we got the result that boundary same. 4.95, 4.95, 8.95, 8.95, in same way. Now the last example is here. This is classes and this is CB. Look, classes data has how many digits after point? After point, how many digits? 1, 2, 3 digits. in whole data. After point there is 3 digits, 1 2 3. So we have to put after point 30, 0.0005, 3 zeros. Understand? Now in the lowest column, lowest values, we have to subtract these values and write here 0.002 minus 0.0005. Right here 0.003 plus 0.0005 and right here 0.004 minus 0.005 and right here. Look, boundaries become same. So it is class boundary column. Understand? Students, we have to use according to our question 0.5, 0.05, 0.005 or 0.0005 according to the data. If point after point there is one digit, then after point there is 1 0. If after point there is 3 digits, 1 2 3, then after point there is 3 0, 1 2 3. Okay, thank you class. Allah Hafiz and subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.